Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can upload shorts from your phone on YouTube. Very easy guys, very simple. Let's launch the YouTube app first and then we want to go ahead and create our first short over here. What you want to do, you want to click on the lower center of the screen and hit the plus sign. When you click on this, you see you have three options underneath. If you scroll over here, you have the shorts, you have live, you have post, right? Let's leave the setting on short. In this particular example, we are going to upload this video over here, and the reason for it is that we simply want to create something new, something interesting. Let's click on the music and let's take a look what kind of music selection is available for us, right? Essentially, you can see all the For You page. This is what is currently recommended from them. This is the top sounds. This is what people have been using the most. Underneath you will see all the genres, so essentially you can go through each of the genres and you might find songs that you cannot think of right now, but you know the songs and you would love to have them on your short video, right? So when you look at the songs, when you finish with the songs, all you gotta do is to click add and you will be able to add the song to your short. The next one, you can essentially add text. In our example, we do have Las Vegas strip over here. We can do that. And then what else we can essentially do, we have an option to trim the video, we have an option to include a voiceover, we have an option essentially to reduce the video, right, or change the actual duration of the video from here. Nothing new in my opinion if you have used previous editing built-in features like in Instagram or Facebook as well. So if we finish with the editing, we can simply click next on the upper right corner and then we can move to the actual posting phase after we finish editing. This is where the magic happens. You want to start with a very generic title, something like Las Vegas Strip, and then you want to do, let's say, best weekend for couples, right? Something like this. Also, when you creating shorts, you want to make sure that you include the hashtags over here, because no one will be looking at any other description. So if you're over here, you could simply type your first hashtag. You get recommendations from the actual algorithm, and then you most likely gonna get a very similar recommendations for the next hashtags when you press the actual symbol, right? So as you can see, we can essentially see that we have Las Vegas Riders, right? The game, we have Las Vegas Nightlife. When you finish with the hashtags, you want to scroll down and you want to look at the location. In our case, we have a Las Vegas location, which is very easy to be added, right? And last but not least, you want to go back and click on the upper left corner where you see this small pen. Let's adjust the thumbnail, right? So if you go over here and hold our finger on the lower settings where you see the small picture, you can hold your finger on the picture and drag it to the right side. This will simply change what people will see as a cover of your video, right? So we can leave this like a small MGM on the side, or we can leave New York, New York. I think New York looks bad, right? When you're done, just click done. And boom, just like this, you saw we updated our thumbnail. And of course, what is left to click upload short, and this is how you upload shorts from your phone, guys. For more tips and tricks, subscribe and come back for more.